my name is Alondra with Mintech CNC. We are here displaying our newest HC43 laser system. This is our newest system. We included a UV blue shield to protect your eyes from the lasering. We also included just a newer base, which is a granite base that you see right here. It's a very industrial machine, meant for longevity, meant for you to have this system for a really long time in your shop. It comes with a ball screw system that you'll be able to see once we open this up. This system right here is included to be able to give you that quality cut, as well as giving you very specified, very precision ice cuts. Right now we're gonna open the machine. It's currently cutting acrylic designed machines that are including with some registration marks. With the CCD camera that comes included in the machine, the CCD will be able to cover all parts of your standardized printed material, and you'll be able to stop the machine and come back and start where you left off. So when you go ahead and lift this up, you'll be able to see the granite that you see right here. This is meant for stability. This is meant to give you quality, precise cuts. This right here is also granite. Again, when this gantry is moving, when this system is moving, there's a lot of times where it can move. However, with the granite system that you see here, it gives you that very precise cuts, and it gives you very quality cuts that do not require you to do any extra polishing. It does not require you to do any extra steps to give you that quality control. So as you can see, these samples right here, it does not require you to have an additional cut. It doesn't require you any additional steps. It has the cut very clear, very nicely cut, very precise, no burning, as you can see. As well as you have your UV printed acrylic, and you go and you cut the acrylic. Very nice, very crystal, very smooth, no additional steps needed. Very nice to go. Pack it up, ship it out, and you're good to go. So our machine, when we come to install it for you, it comes with a water chiller right here. This is a very, very popular water chiller, very quality chiller. It is very easy to refill, very easy to manage. It comes included with the machine when you purchase it. This is important to keep that laser nice and cool. Gives you, again, that quality cut, not burning any material. It's sectioned off right here. As you can see, the machine is powered and connected together, so you don't have to add any extra wiring out there, right? Also, it comes with an exhaust fan right here, so this will also come included with the machine. We do recommend our fume extractor right here. This is very important for the health of yourself and the health around the people that are near the laser machine. This is very important. So when you're cutting acrylic, you're cutting wood, there's a lot of fumes that come out that could be very toxic. However, if you include this fume extractor with your machine, you'll be able to lessen the smell, improve the health quality of the smell, so that you yourself and others around you are safe and no toxins are being smelled and inhaled through this right here. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope you learned something new. We hope you were able to see the value of our machines. Please check us out on our website. If you have any more questions, let us know. Have a good one.